In this video, we're gonna make a selected style drop like this.
You let my love down, my love down, my love down, my love.
So let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with a vocal. I dropped in this one from the new Motion pack. Link down below if you want to check it out. It includes vocals, presets, drums, other stuff you need to make music. So stuff like this. Then we're gonna start off with a Reese bass. So let's use this one. And start off on the root notes.
I can't believe I took.
Then go down a scale.
I can't believe I took the bait. I can't believe I took the bait.
With a small melody fill like this.
You were never worth the wait.
And then go back up the scale. Back to the roots.
You were never worth the wait.
Drop in a new serum and pick a preset from the pack. First we're gonna dive in the breakdown and then we're gonna work our way up to the drop. So let's use this one. And copy it over. Then add some distortion. EQ, reverb. Filter. Remove the highs. And the sidechain.
I can't believe I took the bait.
Something like this. Then I added in another serum. And we're gonna pick a chord sound from the pack. Let's use this one. And copy over the Reese notes. And turn them into chords. Up an octave. Just like this. So this over the chords.
Can't believe I took the bait. You were never
like
worth the wait.
Then just lower down this volume of the lead.
I can't believe I took the bait.
Like this. And work on an ARP sound. So first pick a plug from the pack. Let's use this one. And create a MIDI with that first chord. So it goes from the F to the C to the G sharp. Like this. Then make a little variation rhythm wise. Just like this.
Can't believe I took the.
And then we're gonna completely modulate it.
Can't believe I took the bait.
So slowly let the mod will open up. Like this.
Can't believe I took
And I wanna filter it.
You were never worth the wait.
Like this.
You said I'm the one that needs to.
He says that I want to tweak the mod automation a little bit and just make it a bit more random.
Can't believe I took the bait. You were never worth the wait.
Like for example this.
You said you got me
open
so
up
bitter.
in a build up like this.
Got my finger on the trigger. Why you messing with my pride? Oh why would you leave me on the floor? So don't you let my love down.
And drop it right here.
Love down, my love down, my love down, my love. love down, my love
and then
down,
use it as a melody fill in the drop.
Why do you let my love down, my love down, my love down, my love?
So it kind of plays with a vocal as a counter melody. So then besides that, I spiced up the breakdown a little bit with some FX in the pack. Shaker loop. Some synth steps. Impacts, downlifters, snare builds, and risers. Those are coming from another pack. So the breakdown sounds like this.
Got me so bitter. Got my finger on the trigger. Why you messing with my pride? Oh why would you leave me on the floor? So don't you let my love down.
So then we're gonna work on the drop. First, let's drop in this kick from the pack. Really dull kick. Something like this. So then I dropped it into serum. And pick a preset from the pack. Let's use this one. Starting on the root notes. So then for the first part of the drop, I want to keep it rhythmic. And then make it melodic for the second part. Bringing back in the chords from the breakdown. So first we need to create a rhythm. Like this. So then after 8 bars, bring back in the chords. Going down to the D sharp. Up to the G sharp. And back to the C. And then repeat that same riff. To finish on the root note. Something like this. He says that we're gonna mix it with some distortion in a sidechain. Something like this.
So don't you let my love down, my love down, my love down, my love.
Then I added a step sound to it as well.
Don't you let my love down, my love down, my love down, my love.
So then to make that second part a bit more interesting, I dropped in this really vibey drum loop from the pack. Something like this. Then just cut out that open head. And used in the first part of the drop as well. Something like this. Then bring back in those steps as well. Same for the ambiences. So now we're gonna dive into the chords of the drop. So first we need to copy them over. Drop it into serum. Paste in the chords. And pick a chord sound from the pack. Let's use this one. Yeah, that's a vibe, so then just copy over the rhythm of the chords. And then paste them into a new pattern. Get rid of the low end. Get a ton of reverb. Remove the lows again. Force the sidechain. And drop it in. And then to finish it off, I added some more small synth steps. Made a small lead fill. And this synth fill. Going from the 6th to the 5th to the root notes. Again, just to fit it up some more. So that's how you make a select style drop. I think it turned out really dope. Let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like. Hit that subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos.
Why you got me so bitter? Got my finger on the trigger. Why you messing with my pride? Oh why would you leave me on the floor? So don't you let my love down, my love down,